Draft baseball today. Prizm draft baseball, 4 boxes. So we'll go, what we got? Chris Bryant hunting, Mookie Betts hunting, Jock Peterson hunting. Good luck, guys. Prizm draft baseball this afternoon. And then tonight, got a fresh case of Topps Chrome baseball to go through. Also got a case of Inception football and another case of NT basketball. Got St. Louis Mike O'Neill. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Yeah, let's see here. Caleb Coward. The Angels refractor. Base. First auto today is a refractor, not numbered. Toronto Blue Jays, Andy Burns. Andy Burns for the Blue Jays, your first auto today. Base. Base. Or base. Refractor, Detroit's Jonathan Crawford. Jonathan Crawford. Base. Refractor, draft picks, New York's Michael O'Neill. Michael O'Neill. Base. Refractor, Johnny Field. Johnny Field. Base. Got a base auto. Detroit's Devin Travis. Devin Travis. Base for Detroit. Base. Or base. Blue, Atlanta's Mike Lipka. Number to 75. Refractor, you've got Austin Schatz, Detroit Tigers. So only 2 autos so far, box 1. Base, we should have 2 more autos in the last 3 packs. Okay, last 2 packs. Base for the Minnesota Twins. Cole Stewart. Cole Stewart for the Twins. Base. Got a refractor, not numbered. Not numbered. Chicago White Sox, Jacob May. Jacob May for the White Sox. Finishing box 1 today. Box 1. Box number 1. Slide that back. number 2. Box 2. Box 2. Base. Base. More base. Refractor, you've got Alex Yarborough, the Los Angeles Angels. Got a redemption. You've got Alberto Mondesi. Can't see the Royals. Raul Mondesi for the Royals. Base. 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 Refractor, Seattle's DJ Peterson. Base. Get an All-American team, J.P. Crawford. Phillies, J.P. Crawford. All-American. That one is numbered to 20. I was going to say, I haven't seen any of these. I don't even remember seeing any of these when we did it 2 years ago when it came out. All-American team, numbered to 20, J.P. Crawford for the Phils. Refractor, Miguel Franco, Phillies. Base. Got numbered to 75. Got a blue. Got a blue. New York's Jace Boyd. Jace Boyd, blue, 75. Base. Base. Blue, Kane Wong, Tampa Bay Rays to 75. Refractor, Max Fried, Padres. Base. Base. Or base. Get a Los Angeles Dodger refractor auto. That numbered Chris Anderson. Chris Anderson. Base. Oakland base auto for the A's. Billy McKinney. Billy McKinney for the A's. Base. Last pack, box 2, refractor, Brian Reguera, Giants. Base. Slide that back. Box number 3. Refractor, Clint Coulter, Milwaukee Brewers. Got a base for the St. Louis Cardinals. Base for the Cardinals, Oscar Mercado. St. Louis Cardinals. Base. Base. Got a gold. Number to 10. Gold. Number to 10. Philadelphia's Cord Sandberg. Cord Sandberg. Refractor. Detroit's Josh Turley. Base. Or base. Or base. Or base. Got a duplicate auto today. First duplicate. Chris Anderson, Dodgers. Chris Anderson for the Dodgers. Base. Number to 10, got a gold auto. Another duplicate too, but it's a gold. Gold auto to 10. Billy McKinney. For the A's. Billy McKinney. Gold. Refractor. Tyler Hemmon. Houston Astros. Base. 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 Blue, Josh Hart, Baltimore Orioles. Baltimore Orioles. Numbered to 75. Got a refractor auto. Jose Abreu for the White Sox. Jose Abreu for the White Sox. Did hit for the White Sox. Base. Base. Or base. Refractor, Boston's Trey Ball. Trey Ball. Last pack, box number 3. Refractor, Phillies, Kel Franco. Base. Slide that back. Box number 4, and then we'll call it an afternoon. We'll be back tonight. Fresh case, Chrome Baseball. A case of Inception Football. And we'll finish with another case of National Treasures Basketball. Refractor, Atlanta's Matt Litka. Base. Or base. Base. Refractor, Brady Rogers, Houston Astros. Brady Rogers. Numbered to 75. Got a blue. Blue for the Cubbies. Rock Shoulders. Rock Shoulders. Blue to 75. Base. More base. Refractor, Michael O'Neill, New York. Blue, Hunter Harvey, Orioles, numbered to 75. Refractor, Corey Thompson, Cincinnati Reds. Got a Kansas City Royal. Second auto for the Royals today. First one was a redemption of Alberto Mondesi. This one, Cody Stubbs. Cody Stubbs. Base. Four base. Got Phillies, Maikel Franco, blue to 75. Refractor, Chris Bryant, Cubbies. Base. Base. More base. Got a Minnesota refractor, Byron Buxton. Byron Buxton, the Twins. Last pack, Prizm Draft today. Got another Minnesota Twins. Back-to-back, autographed refractor of Buxton, base DJ Baxendale. Baxendale for the Twins. So that finishes your Prizm Draft baseball this afternoon. We'll hop off, get this stuff on YouTube. We'll get to the post office, and then we'll see you guys a couple hours tonight.